Hello traders, be very welcome to this series of educational videos that FXCM has for you. My name is David Londoño, I'm a trader and also a market analyst, and today's video I will show you how to set your simulation account or paper trading, also known as paper trading. First of all, I want to tell you that practicing with demo account is very important for several reasons. First, this is a risk-free environment, so you can trade with virtual money, which means you can practice trading strategies and techniques without risking your real money. Second, you get familiarized with the platform. And third, you can test all your strategies. You can use demo account to test different strategies and see how they perform in various markets conditions. And also, very important, you can have your journal with the trades you have had, so you can check your performance over there. So let's set the paper trading. First, you have to come here to the panel, and right here where it says paper trading is synonymous of demo account as well. So right here you can just connect it right there. As easy as that, we have created a demo account, and here on trade, negotiate trade, you can check all what you can do, right? You can trade for market, you can trade limit or trade stops. For example, we want to place a limit just right here. Let's do it. Right there, we just bought, right? We didn't set, what was the mistake right there? We didn't set what? We didn't set the stop loss information. We didn't set the take profit information and so on. So this is the kind of mistakes you can definitely do here in the paper trading. Here, you have all your positions, your orders, your historical, and also, as I was saying, your journal. You can check all here what you have done and check all your strategies through the time. And of course, get familiarized with this. And right here, you can check what you have on the account. And right here, let me just show you. Right here, you can check all the executions you have had. Right here was an execution. Right here, I had an execution as an example as well. So this is very interesting for you guys. As I was telling you before, overall, demo accounts serve as valuable training grounds for both novice and even experienced traders. All of these help us to sharpen our skills and improve our performance on the financial markets. Guys, if you like it, don't forget to share and subscribe, and also click on the like button. And I will see you on the next trading session.